We're on. Okay. Welcome back. Quite sudden video here. Some of you were requesting for a video, so I thought maybe I'll post now. Just I've got some time. I just came from teaching. Quite exhausted. Can't say I'm gonna be my best, but okay, let's start. Last time, I'm going to bring this here, so you don't have to see all that. Don't just ignore them. There's a lot of file on the top. Nope. Okay. Alright. So before last lesson, we stopped at lesson 16. We had a lot of new words. I hope you guys memorize these words by heart, because you need to build up your vocabularies as much as possible. So you need to memorize all the new words here. And this lesson, spoiler alert, this is going to be really big. If you can see a lot of translation. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is massive. This is very excruciating and a very tricky and lengthy lesson. So it's impossible to finish it in just one video, but I'll try my best to go as far as we can. Okay. A lot of new words again. I need you guys to bring out your notebooks and note down every single thing I'm doing here. Okay? And time is short, so let's start. Okay. الدرس السابع. Lesson the 7th lesson. I'll start before. I need to keep my pen. Terrible pen. Okay. We have a lot of things going on. من هذا؟ من هذه? Who is this, right? Who is this? I don't like how it sounds. هذه آمنة. هذه آمنة. This is آمنة. Probably her. No, that's not Amina. But whoever Amina is, let her be. But this is Amina. I'll try to keep a single color. Keep changing color all the time. For harakat, we're gonna use this color. ومن تلك. What is tilka, guys? What is tilka? I think that's why it's important to go into grammar. I wanted to show these before, but some of you insisted that I do videos. If ذلك, for just similarly, you have هذا. That's the masculine version of هذا, and this is the feminine version, هذه. We have ذلك. ذلك, that's the the masculine version, and tilka is the feminine version of this. So who's making that sound? It's so irritating. This is that feminine version. Tilka is you can say it's a new word. You need to keep in mind. Tilka. These are pointers. Okay, اسم الإشارة. Pointers. So it is a feminine version of ذلك. ومن tilka. What does that mean? And who's that? Oh God. Who is that? Tilka Fatimatu. Now you might ask, why are we using tilka? We're pointing at maybe some girl, some lady, something that's feminine. And yes, Fatima, tilka Fatima. Fatima is muannas, it's feminine. Why? We have a ta marbuta plus bonus. Fatima, this is a name. It's a girl's name. So even if it didn't have a ta marbuta, since it's a girl's name, it would be tilka. So there you go. So tilka Fatima. That's Fatima, or that is Fatima. Good. هذه طبيبة 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 وتلك هذه طبيبة وتلك ممرضة. This is a new word. ممرضة. ممرض means a nurse. It's a nurse. So what does this translate to? I don't think I have space here. هذه طبيبة. This is a doctor, a female doctor. وتلك, and that is a nurse. جيد. طيب. Moving on. هذه. Oh God, what just happened? That wasn't good. Okay. هذه من الهند. وتلك, Hind is India. Remember? Hind kind of matches Hindi, India. How am I writing? India. وتلك من اليابان. يابان. Yaban is Japan. We've done these. Japan. So هذه. Now this is very weird because I mean in Arabic it's not a problem, but if we were to translate هذه من الهند, this is from Hind and that is from Japan. It sounds very disrespecting, right? We're pointing at someone and saying this lady, this human is from India and that lady is from Japan. But in English it sounds bad. In Arabic it's not a big deal. So this would be, this is from India and that is from Japan. It doesn't necessarily have to be that we're pointing at these two. It doesn't really have to be that we're pointing at these people, but you could say that. But again, it's a little bit disrespecting. هذه طاولة. No, طويلة. Sorry, طاولة is different. طويلة is a new word. وتلك قصيرة. Okay. What is قصير? Huh? قصير means short. And طويلة is tall. Don't say طاولة. طاولة means table, like dining table or something like that. So don't say that. So these are two new words you need to keep in mind. So هذا طويلة. This هذه. This is tall. And تلك, that is short. Again, why are we using the feminine versions? تلك, not ذلك. هذه, not هذا, because they are all مؤنث. Okay. من هذا? Who is this? هذا حامد. Can't stick to one. Oh my god, so annoying. This is Hamid. This is Hamid. ومن ذلك. And who is that? ذلك علي. That is Mr. Ali. أتلك دجاجة. Dajaja means chicken. It's a new word, maybe. It shouldn't be a new word. You guys should have done it. Chicken, diku normally means, you could say chicken, rooster. I need to look into it. Rooster, chicken. It's good to say chicken. Chicken. Is this a chicken? Tilka. And why is it tilka? Dajaja is muannas, feminine. Is that a chicken? No, it doesn't look like a chicken. So we say la. No. Tilka batta. Battatun. Battatun is a duck. duck. Memorize it. Memorize. Learn these words. They're gonna be really helpful. No. That is a duck. بطة. ما تلك. What is that? ما تلك. What is that? What is it? It's supposed to be an egg. It looks terrible, but it's supposed to be an egg. So we say تلك بيضة. بيضة. بيضة means, well, you've guessed it, egg. But the word بيضة also means white. And eggs are white, so probably that's why they named it. But بيضة also means white. The color white. So it's going to be, that is an egg. See, we've got a lot of new words. More are coming. Okay, we've got a big sentence here. هذه سيارة. Yeah, سيارة المدرس. وتلك سيارة المدير. Tell me. What is this? What do we call this? Some of you guys don't like grammar, but grammar is always going to come and hunt you. Isn't this إضافة? We have دمة. This is light. سيارة is a car, which is a noun. We have an alif lam and a kasra. Short distance, that's an إضافة. So we found an إضافة. That's wonderful. There's a bird here. It's so annoying. That's an إضافة. وتلك سيارة المدير. This is also an إضافة. So what does this translate to? This is the teacher's سيارة المدرس, teacher. Teacher's car. وتلك, and that is the mudir. What does mudir mean? Principal. I don't know if that's how you spell principal. Probably not. That's the correct pronunciation. Spelling. Pardon me. Principal. Car. Okay. Okay. أساعة عباس هذا. What does ساعة mean? ساعة means a watch. Watch, right? So أساعة عباس هذا. هذه. أساعة عباس هذه. Is this Abbas's watch? Abbas. I don't know how to spell him. Watch. لا, no. هذه ساعة حامد. No, this is Hamid's watch. تلك ساعة عباس. So تلك, that is ساعة عباس. Abbas's watch. So he was pointing at this. Is this Abbas' watch? No, that's Hamid's watch. That is Abbas's watch. That's what they're saying here. Okay, yes, there you go. That's the difference here. Dikun means rooster, and dajajatun, that's your rooster. That's your dikun. I always get confused. Not only me, everyone. Students get confused. Dikun. That's your rooster. The ones that are annoying. They break your sleep in the morning. And dajaja is what we eat. The lahm. What is lahm? Meat. chicken meat. Okay, so, and do notice ذلك, no more tilka. ذلك, what am I writing? ذلك. Why ذلك? We're talking about dikun. What is dikun? Is it a feminine? Is it muannas? It's masculine. So we're saying ذلك. ذلك dikun. Terrible. That is a dikun. Dikun means rooster. وتلك دجاجة. I'll break them like this. It's not the best way of writing, because if we were to write it, this would come here. It would be here. This is a rooster, but it's easier in that way. اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. هذه مدرسة وتلك جامعة. هذه مدرسة. This is a مدرسة means school, and جامعة means university. ذلك حمار. ذلك حمار. That's a donkey. حمار means donkey. I can't write all of them for you guys, but I'll tell you the meanings and you guys can write. You can pause the video and help yourselves. وتلك بقرة. بقرة means cow. Not any cow, it's a female cow. Cow that gives milk. Cow. And why is it تلك, guys? ده مربوطة. ذلك مسجد. Is that a masjid? لا, تلك مدرسة. That is a school. تلك because of تا مربوطة. هذا okay, so هذا جمل وتلك ناقة. Yeah. ناقة. Oh God. ناقة. It's a new word. You can jot it down. ناقة is a girl camel. We call it she camel. It's in the Quran, I believe. And yes, and yeah, she camel is basically a girl camel. She camel sounds fancy. Okay, هذه مدرسة وتلك. No, هذا مدرسة. Female teacher. Teach but feminine. وتلك طالبة. ده مربوطة. So girl student. She girl student. هذا كلب وذلك قط. All of them are masculine because these are masculine. هذا كلب. This is a dog. وذلك قط. What's قط? It's cat. It's a cat. هذا بيت. This is a house. بيت المؤذن. مؤذن. We all know what's muazzin. We've heard the term muazzin. Muazzin means someone who calls. Muazzin calls to prayer, right? The one who gives the azan and etc. وتلك حديقة التاجر. حديقة التاجر. I believe yes. حديقة التاجر. This is also a إضافة. What does حديقة mean? حديقة means garden. حديقة means garden. حديقة جميل, beautiful garden. حديقة means garden. The yellow highlighted words are the new words you guys to keep in mind. So yeah. حديقة التاجر. تاجري. What does تاجر mean? Merchant, right? تاجر means merchant. So it's saying هذا بيت المؤذن. This is also an إضافة. It's gonna be a كسرة here. My leg is aching so badly. مؤذن. هذا بيت مؤذن. This is a muezzin's house. وتلك حديقة التاجر. This is the merchant's garden. We will stop at this. Okay, so yeah. Oh wow. So the lesson was short. Pardon me then. I saw the other one. Okay, so we can finish the lesson here today. Then let's do it. I'm gonna start lesson 8 next video, inshallah. Okay. I need more water. I'm out of water. Damn, bro. Okay. Basically, this is fill in the blanks with either ذلك or tilka. This is gonna be a fun exercise. I expect you guys to be able to solve all of them. ذلك and tilka. Ummun. Ummun is mother, feminine. It's going to be tilka. Okay. Abun, ab, masculine. ذلك. قلم, masculine. ذلك. I wish I had different colors. I was tired of using the same color over and over again. There's nothing new here. There's nothing new. Mil'aqatun. Mil'aqatun. What is mil'aqatun? We've done mil'aqatun. We have done mil'aqatun. What's going on? Why is that working? Okay, that's working. Okay, mil'aqatun is a spoon. Is it masculine? No, it's feminine. So what do we use? Tilka. Tilka. Aynun. What is aynun? Aynun means eyes. Now, tell me if this is going to be a masculine or feminine. Well, aynun is eyes. How many eyes do we have? 2 eyes. And any body part that's in pairs, you have 2 of them. There are 2 in number. Is feminine. So you can say, we're gonna say, tilka hajar, stone. ذلك. قميص. ذلك. It's masculine. قدر, pot, masculine. Okay, wait. Yes. تلك قميص. When I come to Kidun a little bit later. Wait. نافذة. نافذة is window, so that's feminine. تلك. بقرة. تلك feminine. مكتب masculine. ناقة female camel, she camel. تلك. I don't know why my pen is not working. Okay. Muhandis, engineer. Muhandisun. ذلك. Barely have space. مؤذن. مؤذن. ذلك masculine. ممرضة nurse. تلك feminine. سرير bed. That's ذلك, right? حديقة. حديقة. What's حديقة? It's feminine. Stick to one color. تلك طالبة, female doctor, a female student. That is going to be tilka. That does not look like kaf. جمل, ذلك. And بطة, tilka. Okay, so far so good. Okay, kidrun, I believe we've done kidrun before, right? What was kidrun again? It was a pot. There you go, kidrun. So this is going to be, I don't know why I skipped this. Kidrun, this is going to be ذلك. Okay, كلمة الجديد, new words. Okay, what do we've got? الممرض, which means a nurse. We've done these. Memorize them. Learn them by heart. Nurse, there's no way around. You might nag, oh my god, there's so many words, can't do this. Just sort yourself out and just learn them. It's the only way we can do it. حديقة, garden. Actually, these are the garden, because you do notice there's an alif lam in front of them. The nurse, these are ma'arif, definite. البطة, that doesn't look very pleasing. The duck. المؤذن, the mu'adhin, but we can just say the mu'adhin. I think that's how you spell it. I don't know. Naqatu, the she camel. And by the way, this is completely fine. She camel, this is, you could say proper English, you know. She camel, this is proper English. It's not weird. It's not that we just we invented something. She camel is completely fine. Naqatullah wa suqiyaha, blah blah blah. There's a lot of ayats in the Quran. So naqa. And baydatu, this is a word that has two meanings. Normally means egg, but the word baydun can itself mean white. And yes, you have ismul ishara, you have Ya Allah. Okay, so you have this is really funny. You're saying ismul isharatul qarib, is spacing saying ismul ishara, pointers for nearby stuff, nearby things, pointers for faraway objects. How? The 2 pointers we've learned, I don't appreciate them doing this. They should have done masculine pointers and feminine pointers, or the masculine and feminine version of a pointer. That would be better, but I don't know why they did this. هذا, when you have something close, we point at it and say this is. If it's a masculine, we say هذا. This is masculine. And if it's a feminine, we say هذه. That's your feminine version of هذا. Muannas. Similarly, if you have something far away, ذلك. No, you can't just say this one. You have to say, oh, that one over there. ذلك حامدون. That's for masculine. If the thing is feminine, Zainab, even though it doesn't have a tamabuta, Zainab is a name for a girl, so this is feminine. And we use the feminine version of ذلك, which is tilka. So I think this might be the first time we've been doing examples with tilka, so it's good to keep this in mind. Tilka is the feminine version of ذلك. And that's mostly it. We've got a lot of new words. Do memorize them with heart. And then we'll move on to lesson 8 in the next video. Till then, ma'as salam.